How to make money from JVZoo affiliate marketing. These are the things that I will cover in this video. The whole concept of this method, how to create account with JVZoo, how to find the right products to promote, how to contact owners, methods to promote JVZoo products, and how to scale your business. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Also, if you wanted to earn a full-time income from home, I have mentioned my most recommended system in the description box below. You can use this system to earn a full-time income from home. So let's start it with the today's video. First, I will introduce you to this concept of JVZoo. As you have heard that money is in the list, and all of the big marketers or all of the millionaires who are earning 5-figure, 6-figure income per month, they have an email list. So what they do, they send routine emails to their email list to their subscribers. They usually promote products who are just going to be launched in the coming days, so they send out emails to their email list. And when they send out email to their email list, what they do, very few people directly buy from them. So that email include their affiliate link, and when those people buy product using their affiliate link, those marketers will earn affiliate commission. But out of 100, 5 to 10% of the people actually buy directly from them. And rest of the 90% people who will actually move to the google.com or youtube.com and they look for the information about that particular product. So in order to buy that product, they want more information. So here we can play our part. We can either create our website to write a content or to write a review on that product, or we can create a YouTube channel to provide our videos to those people who are looking information about those products. So if somehow our videos or our blog comes first on YouTube or on Google, so that's how we can divert traffic from those email lists to our blog or to our YouTube channel. And once they get the information they wanted, they will definitely buy those things from using our affiliate link. This is how we can earn affiliate commission using JVZoo products. I hope you get the basic idea about JVZoo marketing. So now the next thing is how to create account with the JVZoo. If you just move to the JVZoo.com, JVZoo.com, it is actually a marketplace where you find lot of different affiliate products. Just create your account while clicking on the free sign up. It would hardly take you 3 to 5 minutes. They will send you a link and you need to confirm that link, and you also provide your payment information. So once you have enough balance in your JVZoo account, they will send that balance into your bank account or processor that you will choose in the JVZoo account. So that's how you can create your JVZoo account. The next step is how to find the products to promote. So if you just move to the JVZoo, you can also find a lot of products on the marketplace. But in this strategy, we are actually using some other platform that is known as Munch.io. If you just move to this platform, Munch.io, it is just a calendar of product launches. So it tells us when a particular product will get launched. So currently the today date is 26th of the July. So you will see that today there are 2 products are launching, and 4 products are launching, and on the 27th there are 2 products are launching. So that's how you can get the information about when a particular product will get launched. Now we need to take action before 10 days. So we should select a product that will get launched 10 days far from today date. So because you need to do a little task, you need to get approval from the vendor, you need to create your either a video or a blog post and rank those videos into the Google search engine or on the YouTube. So you should select a product that has an at least 10 days gap from today's date. So if I just move downward, you can see that a lot of different products are out there. These are the big launches and these are the all launches. And majority of the platforms on the Munchai is Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. So these three platforms that you mostly find on the Munchai, and these blue signs are actually launches from the marketers who are actually well known. So you can just take those products and promote those products without searching anything. But with other products, you can just look at the information about the product owners. So you may not want to actually promoting a product whose vendor is not well known in the industry, because if you just promote that product, there's a chance that very few people or very few marketers are promoting his product to their email list. And if they are not promoting his product to their email list, so they will not search on the Google or on the YouTube. So at the end, you will not get enough traffic to compensate for your work you have done in your blog or on your YouTube channel. That's why I recommend you to only promote those products which have a blue sign, or you can even search for the individual product to check whether their owners have a strong background in this industry. So let's suppose if I just take out this product social video pack for an example and I open this product, it will open up another Munchai page. Here you will get further information about this product. This is the vendor name, this is the front end price, commission percentage, and JVZoo page. If you just open up this JVZoo page, so this is the JV page, joint venture page. It is actually created for the people who wanted to promote this product. If you just move downward, you can just look at information about how to get your JVZoo affiliate link. Just like it, grab your JVZoo affiliate link. If you just click on that button, it will take you to the JVZoo affiliate page. So here you need to first sign in. So you will see that this is the request permission page, and what you can do here, you can just request that vendor to approve your request, and that's how if he is gonna approve your request, you can promote this product to your audience. You can just write down 3 to 4 lines about here is your strategy, here is your YouTube channel, or here is your website that on which you are promoting that particular product. So just give an idea, and I am not a robot, and request affiliate approval. At the start, there is a chance that you may get rejected by some of the vendors. Don't worry, just select another product and apply for that product. That's how you can get 50 to 60% approval rate at the start. But with the passage of time, once you become a premium member of the JVZoo and you have an established YouTube channel or you have an established website, you can just tell about your YouTube channel and website to that vendor, and he will be more keen to approve your request. Other than that, you can also find the product owners information from this page. This is the provide box at gmail.com. So you can just contact the owner to request for approval. And some vendors who are just big vendors or who are big marketers, they will even provide you their Facebook page link, or they will even provide you the Skype address. So you may directly contact with those vendors directly. So let's move to the next step, that is how to contact owners. So I have already given you the information about how you can contact those owners. You can either get approval from the inside of the JVZoo, or you can find the information about the contact about the owners on the JV page. You can either find the Facebook page, or you can even find the Skype address. You can contact with them directly and request for your approval. And the next step is methods to promote JVZoo product. This is really important, because once you have done all of your setup, it's time to promote JVZoo products using different methods. These are some of the methods that I personally like, and I have been involved in all those methods. The first one is creating review on medium.com. Actually, medium.com is a web 2.0 site and really popular among people because you can join Medium for free, and it has already a domain authority of 90 plus. So you are just creating, or you're just using a subdomain of Medium which has already a domain authority of 90. So there is a chance that you will get extra boost in the search engine. So just move to the medium.com. You can create your account and write a review about 400 to 500 words of that particular product. Let's suppose you have selected this social video pack product. You can get the information about that product on the sales page, and you need to just write down 400 to 500 words. Apart from medium.com, you can also use other web 2.0 sites. You can use blogspot.com, you can use wordpress.com, you can use wix.com, weebly.com, tumblr.com. There are a lot of different free web 2.0s out there, and you can use those platforms to avail the benefit of the domain authority. And all you need is to write a review on those platforms, and there's a likely chance that your review will get top above all of your competitors. And once traffic starts moving towards your website, there's an affiliate link on those pages you have put in, and once those people click on that affiliate link and buy that product from the sales page, you have a chance to get commission. So this is an example of TubeRank JIT review. I have opened up this write down this review, and you will see that here is a product medium.com, and someone has written a review on the medium.com, and it is performing well on the Google. Somehow if you write that review and build 2 to 3 backlinks, you have a great chance that you will bring that review on the first position of the Google. So that's how you can write a review on medium.com. If you just move to the second method, create your full review website. If you just move to the google.com, you will find that a lot of sites that are particularly related to the JVZoo products, like George reviews, Glenn review, AM review, John reviews. Let's suppose if I open up this website, these websites are totally related to writing reviews about the JVZoo product, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank products. So all you need is to create a totally dedicated website for these products, and you have to write articles. Just take an example from these websites. These are actually performing really well. They have a standard format. They just write down 500 to 600 words, and you will see that this is an article. They actually take all this from the sales page, just modify those wording in order to make it unique, and here is the affiliate link, and here is the video. And if you just move downward, they are also offering some bonuses. The third one is my personal favorite, that is starting a YouTube channel. You can also start a dedicated YouTube channel on those product launches. If I just show you an example here, that is Jono Armstrong. This guy is just continuously uploading videos about those products launches, and this guy has over 42,000 subscribers, and he's earning more than $1,000 a day. So he's earning a pretty handsome money using this YouTube channel. So you can use any of the method in order to promote those JVZoo products and earn affiliate commission from those products. This is all for today's video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.